Remaker AI is powered by plenty of outstanding features which elevate users' experience at affordable price. Remaker AI is one of the best platforms that perfectly reflects digital creativity, as it truly stands out as a robust tool that assists in generating exceptional visual content. It is specifically designed for both professional and casual users who want to add an intriguing effect to your high-quality images, videos, and text by using cutting-edge technology to cater to the user's requirements. Features of Remaker AI. Remaker AI is powered by a plenty of outstanding features which elevates the user's experience, including Face Swap. Face Swap is one of the most notable features of Remaker AI that would allow you to replace faces and images for single and multiple images both simultaneously, and it works similarly in videos as well. AI Portraits. AI Portraits would assist in creating differently styled portraits by uploading images, as they are used to generate natural and excellent pictures. Video Background Remover. If you are looking for any app which would let you to easily remove video backgrounds, then Remaker AI is one of the best apps, as it features Video Background Remover, which efficiently removes the video background and crafts a highly professional video. Watermark Remover. It would let you remove any watermark along with the unwanted constituents from the images without any challenge. Advantages of Remaker AI. Remaker AI is considered one of the easiest tools that provide you with clean, striking, and highly professional images and videos, offering a user-friendly interface to meet users' expectations and consists plenty of features including. It entails an extensive range of tools which includes face swapping, background removal tools, and more, offering amazing content which is tailored to the user's requirements. Additionally, it offers multiple affordable pricing plans which include a free trial with 30 credits, making it highly accessible for all users by assessing the tool's capabilities without charging any penny. Remaker AI pricing plans. As mentioned earlier, Remaker AI provides multiple affordable pricing plans, including free and paid options that are discussed below. Free plan. By availing this free plan, users would be able to include basic image editing tools with a specified number of free uses. Initially, users would receive 5 free uses without signing in, but on signing in, users would get an extra 30 credits with daily check-ins. Standard plan. It costs $10 every month, supporting a few top-notch features including background generation, removal, and face swap. Premium plan. Remaker AI costs $25 every month, offering you to access all the features that would let you create highly professional images and videos with unlimited image generations and edits.